Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic, that is working of multiplier. The working of multiplier start with the income generation process in the economy. Let us understand the working of multiplier or the process of income generation. Now the question is, why does process of income generation start? How does multiplier work? When there is an increase in investment in the economic, income also increase equivalent to the amount of increase in investment in the first round. We also know that MPC is always greater than 0 but less than 1. It suggests that recipient of additional income definitely spend a part of this income on the consumption and goods on the basis of their MPC. We also know that one person's consumption's expenditure, another person income in the economy. Hence, when some persons spend on the consumption, it increase the income of other person. They further spend a part of their increased income on the consumption, which further raise the income of some other person. In this way, the process of income generation goes on and on. Ultimately, the total increase in income is equivalent to increase in investment multiplied by the coefficient of multiplier. Suppose we take the schedule. Suppose the increase in investment, that is delta I, is MPC is equal to 1 upon 2 is 20 crores. The table 6.12 clearly state that when the investment increase by 20 crore, it will the first increase income by 20 crore for the people working in those industry. They spend 10 crore on the consumption goods out of the additional income of the 20 crores. Because of MPC is equal to 1 upon 2. This expenditure of 10 crores increase the income of those persons from whom consumption goods have been purchased. The recipients of the 10 crore income further spend 5 crores on the consumption goods. This is turn the increase the income of other person in the economy. This process goes on working, but as we move from one round to another, the increase in income goes on diminishing till it becomes the zero. The total increase in the income will equal to increase in investment multiplied by the value of multiplier as given in figure 6.12 to demonstrate the multiplier. To analyze the further, delta y is equal to k into delta I. Since the table 6.12, the MPC 1 upon 2, hence the k is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2, and delta I is equal to 20 crore. Hence, and the initial increase in the investment of 20 crore lead to the total increase in income of 40 crores, means 2 into 20. Thus, the increase in income can be calculated from any of the following formula. First, delta y increase in income is equal to k into delta I increase in investment, means delta y is equal to k into delta I. Next formula, delta y is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC into delta I. Next formula, delta y is equal to 1 upon MPS into delta I. It is on the basis of concept of multiplier that can assure that government debt in that situation of dispersion and employment, it is if it is raised the value of investment, the result increase in income would multiply of the increase in investment. If MPC or consumption function is given, we can calculate the increase in income, increase in consumption, and increase in saving with increase in investment. For this, following step may be adopted. First of all, find out the multiplier, that is k, from the MPC or MPS. We can find out by the formula k is equal to 1 upon 1 minus MPC is equal to 1 upon MPS. Second, increase in income, delta y is equal to k into delta I. Third, increase in consumption expenditure, delta C is equal to delta y into MPC. Next, increase in saving expenditure, delta S is equal to delta y into MPS, or delta y is equal to 1 minus MPC, or delta y minus delta C.